Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you 3 super easy hairstyles, and they look really cute, and it suits all face types, and you can do it anytime you want, like even if you're going out somewhere, wedding, something, like all occasion, all function friendly hairstyle. So if you want to know what 3 super cute and easy hairstyles are, then please continue watching. So starting off with the first hairstyle, it's going to be like a braided hairband. So it's very easy, very like simple, and it looks really good. So all you need is one small rubber band and one hair clip, the tick clip. Any clip would work, but it should be like small and seamless. And also don't miss out looking at this cute milk bottle, which I apparently got this from a store. And then there were rubber bands in this, so it's like super cute. So I'm taking one rubber band and just one hair clip. So all you have to do is, so take your comb. Okay, if you are a mid part person like me, then it's really good. Make your mid part real nice, and then all you do is from the left hand side, like the left hand side, at the bottom part over here, just make like a section up to your ear, so which looks like this, and then just take that part in front and then tie up the rest of your hair, so that while you do your braid it doesn't comes in the way. Then just take this part and start making a braid. So 3 parts, and I'm gonna make a braid now. So you have to tie it completely till the bottom of your hair, like till the ends of your hair. And then just tie it up. So once you put your rubber band, just make sure that you are slightly opening this braid out, like very lightly. And now what you have to do is you have to take this braid and then pin it up the back of your ear like this. You can put a pin or maybe the black pins, and done. And then here you go. There you have your braided hairband. And like even if you see at the back, you will never notice that a strand of your hair is turned out in the braid. So this was our hairstyle number 1. Now let's move on to hairstyle number 2. So for hairstyle number 2, all you have to do is again a mid part, because my whole hairs are like dependent on the mid part. So what you have to do is, if you have fringes or bangs like this, just make sure that you pin them up during you do your hairstyle. So what I'm going to do is, I am just going to roughly take 2 sections like this. Okay, and now I am actually going to make a knot. If I don't know if you guys can see. Now I'm just going to make a knot of it. Now again I'm going to take the other part of my hair and then this strand, and again from the other side I'm gonna take the other strand of the hair. Okay, so now again I am going to make a knot of it. And this is it. You don't even need any rubber band or any hair clip for this. I'll show you how it looks from the behind. So this is how it looks from the behind. It's just 2 knots and it's simple. It's that easy. You don't even need anything else for this. So this is how it looks. And now, so for the last hairstyle, it's again very simple and very easy, but for that I have to turn around for you guys to understand how it is. So let's do it. So first, all you need is a hair tie. All you need is a hair tie. So once you are done tying your ponytail, just make sure you leave some part of your hair and then again tie another rubber band, so which is like leaving this part and then tying it up here. Again you have to leave some part of your hair and again put a rubber band down. So it's like 1, 2 and 3, and then again I'm gonna lift some part and then put a rubber band, and this is going to be the last rubber band. And just pull it up a little. So now again you have to make a section like this and put your hairs through it. Again on the second part you have to make a section like this, put your hairs through it. Again the third section, put the last part of your hair through it, and then just tie it around like this. Make a hole, take your hairs out of it, make sure it's pretty tight. Okay, and then again you just have to roll it over. And then lastly you just have to put one rubber band. And then just remove like little hairs to make it look messy. So guys, that is it for the hairstyle video. If you want you can also like put your hairs behind, but it's just that I like it a little messier, so I'm gonna put it like this. So it goes on if you are like going for a function or anything like that, it works really good and it looks super easy. Also it looks good from the back since it's like messy. So again, if you want you can curl your hairs from here, from the side, to give it like a more ethnic effect, but I'm just gonna leave it like this because I love it like this. So yes, that is it. Like, thank you so much for watching guys. That is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.